Thinkware F800 Pro and its parking modes. Hey guys, Chris from BlackboxMyCar here. So Thinkware has recently released their updated flagship, the F800 Pro, along with a robust feature set including full HD 1080p front and rear camera recording, which utilizes the new Sony Exmor-R Starvis sensors, both amazing for low lighting and overall clarity thanks to Sony's reputation for excellence in imaging sensor technology over the years. At the core, the F800 Pro is powered by an Umbrella A12 processor capable of running video enhancements, a rear camera, as well as safety features, all while recording. Last but not least, there are 3 types of dedicated parking mode configurations that can be utilized to your potential depending on the parking situation. Number 1. Motion detection. This sort of parking mode records when there's any activity such as moving cars or pedestrians that may trigger motion detection, as well as impact event recording. This technology reduces memory consumption since it doesn't record when nothing's going on around your car, so you don't have to worry about your SD card filling up too fast. Motion detection is the ideal choice for a user who wants to keep track of everything that's happening to their car while at work, out grocery shopping, or simply running an errand. Fortunately, it's becoming more and more of a standard feature in today's new dashcams. Number 2. Time-lapse. This type of parking mode is ideal for those who will park their car in a busy area and know that motion detection will most likely be triggered at all times. Your memory card will fill up and your footage will be overridden in a short period of time. With time-lapse mode, by recording 2 frames per second as opposed to 30 frames per second in motion detection mode, you're reducing the amount of footage that needs to be recorded in the same period of time. For example, approximately 720 megabytes of storage is used for 1 hour of recording front and rear video in time-lapse mode, as opposed to the massive 5 gigabytes and up of storage that's used for regular front and rear motion detection parking mode. This means that you can record a lot more during the day and not worry about your SD card filling up, although we do recommend getting the largest available capacity if you're doing parking mode. Time-lapse parking mode can be great when you want to document your daily parking lot footage, as well as it's a quick way to review any recorded footage at a faster pace with no detail loss. It's the ideal choice for somebody who wants to capture more of the day but doesn't have the necessary storage capacity to do so. Number 3. Energy saving. New and exclusive to the Thinkware F800 Pro is the addition of an energy-saving parking mode, which isn't always active, but instead is triggered by G-sensor impact as opposed to constantly recording. This parking mode option reduces power consumption by up to 1/3, providing 3 times more recording time as opposed to normal parking mode. The F800 Pro remains in a sleep state, and once the G-sensor detects an impact of a certain force, it then wakes up within a second to record for the next 20 seconds. This not only allows the F800 Pro to record for a longer period of time throughout the day, but it ensures that what's being recorded is crucial evidence without the extra footage before the event. So there you have it. Along with the massive feature set and the reliability of Thinkware that has grown over the years, these are the 3 types of parking mode that come with the new Thinkware F800 Pro. Whether you're looking for some peace of mind, a quick way to view a full day of recordings, or simply want the most crucial event clips to be recorded and saved, the Thinkware F800 Pro has got your back. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. And as always, we'll see you again at BlackboxMyCar. Chris signing out.